We'll go to the chapter 9, heredity and evolution. Okay. Now, reproduction is a process that gives rise to new individuals that are similar but subtly different. Okay. Now, some amount of variation is produced even in asexual reproduction. The organisms which reproduce sexually are quite distinct. Variations are visible among these individuals. Okay, the mechanism of by which the variations are created and inherited, that we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, now this topic 9.1 is cancelled, so we directly go to the next topic, that is 9.2, heredity. Now the outcome of reproductive process, that is the generation of individuals with similar design, that still remains the same, but there are certain rules of heredity that determine by which the traits and the characteristics are reliably inherited from one generation to another generation. Okay, now let us see what are these inherited traits. Now there are certain similarities and differences, okay, in particular organisms. Now a child bears all the basic features of a human being, however it does not look exactly like its parents, and human population, they show a great deal of variation. Now why this is there? Okay, let us see. 9.2.2, there are rules of inheritance of traits. Now the rules of inheritance of traits in human beings, okay, is a fact that both father and mother, they contribute practically equally to the amounts of genetic material to the child. So the genetic material in the child comes equally from father as well as the mother. Okay, so it is influenced by both paternal and maternal DNA, that is a DNA from his father and DNA from the mother. Okay, now each trait, there will be two versions in this child, one from the father, one from the mother. Okay, there's an example given in your textbook. Suppose for example the lobes of ear. Okay, now these are free lobes, this is attached lobes. Okay, so there are two lobes. Now whenever a child is produced by these two parents, the individual, that is a child born, can be born with either of them, or it can have a variation of this. Okay, so for each trait, each single trait, maybe a skin color or anything, hair, eyes, whatever, you have got two DNAs coming from two different individuals, one from mother side and one from father side. That is why we have got the genetic material coming from two different individuals. Now Mendel was one such scientist, okay, who discovered who made the laws of inheritance, okay, after studying the traits in peas. Okay, now Mendel used a number of contrasting invisible characters of garden peas. Now the characters of garden peas which he took, okay, they are known as factors or genes. The first one is shape. Now the shape, there are two shapes, round and wrinkled, height, tall and short, color of flowers, white and violet. Okay, so he took round wrinkled seeds, tall short plants, white violet flowers. He took up different characteristics and then he studied the inheritance, okay, by crossing over them. Okay, so this we are going to study the experiment done by Mendel in the next class. Okay, thank you.